Uwe Rangbah ubla sab sansnam kerta na po apa Mawprem upan kajibushan ula Khlad no na kajingpang COVID-19 Neigrihms henya kasingi ka nyoterik unai lar aja arpo kajingap kibrio na kajingpang COVID-19 hakajala menta kala kiu ka hendriungun haba pintikna ka new director ka Neigrihms Dr. P Bhattacharya ula ithu bo new Rangbah ula yap na kajingpang COVID-19 Ulai thu bayo ni Rangbah la phawan shwai ka singi bala bo ban le ka dialysis na markidan ka man le ka test COVID-19 bahadim ra le ka test kila lab bakar poch u ka long positive.
Can you just tell me in just about this patient who died today of COVID-19?
Yeah, this patient was a long-standing kidney failure patient, and he was staying in a containment zone. And because of that, so he was called a bit early. He had dialysis due, so he was called before that so that the testing could be done. And he was COVID positive. So he was dialysis we are doing even if it is COVID. So the patient was done and then repeat dialysis was needed. So his saturation was low from the beginning, 1992. Then with oxygen it was coming to 94% only.
We can say that COVID-19 that, no?
Yeah. It is, patient had COVID-19. He had COVID-19 pneumonia because the CT scan report was very clear that it had that ground glass appearance, and the physician had concluded that it was COVID-19 picture.